Yeah, welcome again today to today's news. We have a lot of intriguing stories here, and I am going to show you videos of most of these things I am telling you at the tail end of this news and information. Please, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, you are the reason why I am here. Please make sure just now, before the news starts, click on the subscription button and also click on the bell button, select all, so that you'll be getting notification whenever we post our news on this channel. Please share across to people, tell people about this news. Ghost Monday, Biafra to sit at home. Monday is 9th of August 2021. There is another information reaching to our news desk this morning that all the Biafrans, all the southeast, all the some part of south, and all Nigerian people who are supporting the agitation of Biafra, Oduduwa should sit at home. No movement, no school, nothing. You get me? So share this information across to people that everyone in Biafra land, anyone that is supporting Biafra for their referendum, for their state of Biafra, please should sit at home in Nigeria as of tomorrow, being Monday, 9th of August 2021. There is nothing that should be done than to sit at home. The reason why is because the leader of indigenous people of Biafra has been arrested and be detained unlawfully by the Nigerian government and refused to leave him or to solve the problem why the agitation is going on in the southeast, south, and the southwest. They don't want to take care of it, only to hold him in the DSS custody for no just cause. To bring him to the court, they cannot bring him. They keep giving flimsy excuses. So this is an reliable one that is coming to our desk today. So if you are a Biafran, if you are in the southeast, southwest, you are a Yoruba agitator, please, the information is said, sit at home, as we are also fighting for Yoruba agitation. And they said Anambra State and the Abia State governors are forcing the sit at home. They said that nobody should force anybody to sit at home. You know, leadership is not all about forcing people. It is all about making people believe and know exactly what you are doing is rightful. Nobody is forcing anybody to sit at home. Rather, the people who are giving information are the people who will sit at home by listening to the information because they trust their leaders. Not Nigerian leader that is not trusted, not Nigerian leader that has no rule of law. You will see how Monday will be crumbled in the whole of the southeast to show you that if that man becomes a president, that he will lead well. He is not forcing anybody. There is no army that is chasing anybody. There is no police that is chasing anybody that is called the indigenous people of Biafra. No. Except the army of Nigeria who knows how to kill people. Yes, the police, the DSS, they know how to kill people. These are the people that you will see tomorrow that will go even to the people's house and kill them. Because they are terrorists. Yes. In this note, I want to urge everyone to comply to the sit at home if you really love Biafra. Unknown gunmen killed a police, cut off his head, and burned down police station vehicles at Osun local government area of Imo State. You see it, there is no security again in Nigeria. That unknown gunmen will invade a whole police headquarters and burn down the headquarters, kill police, and cut off his head. They said the DPO ran away. I don't know whether he ran away with bullets, but they said he ran away. All these people ransacked everywhere, killed a policeman, cut off his head, and moved to an unknown destination. You see the condition of Nigeria. This is a country where the army go to somebody's farm and use knife and destroy all the crops. You will see watch the end, you will see the video. The video will be at the end of this broadcast. Watch the video. How an army, when I tell you they are terrorists, you say no. An army group will go to somebody's farm, use knife and cut the whole cross. You watch the video. You watch the video. So all this mess is what is going on in Nigeria, and these governors that are opening their dirty mouths cannot even say what is the reason why these agitators are still strong. Why are they agitating? To solve the problem from the root. But what they are saying is because they are serving Fulani. They are serving Fulani. But all of them will see it one by one. How get How can Okwa no boda ka no. Aya no na ala Biafra na ahwe ya. Anyị niile nọ n'ala Biafra. Anyị ga-amisi ya. Udo tere ndị chọrọ udo. Ise. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Watch the videos.